It's time to reading time. Come on, take out your reader. 6 in a bed. This is your previous reader. अब हम इस रीडर को स्टार्ट लेंगे. लास्ट टाइम हमने फ्लॉपी रिवाइज करी थी. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू रीडर. What's the name of this book? 6 in a bed. 6 in a bed. Now turn and open page number 1. These words you know very well. Yes, come on, say who is sitting on a bed? Can you recognize the face? Which one is this? Who is she? Mom. And who is he? Dad. What they are doing? They are reading. What they are doing? They are reading. Okay, now come to the word. Now revise the word. Which one is this? Mom. Mom and dad. Mom and dad. Now turn and open page number 2. Yes, now revise the words. We knows very well these words. हमने कितनी दफ़ा so many times we revise these words. Okay, now revise with me. Mom, Kipper and Dad. Now come to the page number 4. Now revise with me again. Mom, Kipper, Dad and Chip. Mom, Kipper, Dad and Chip. हम ये सारे वर्ड्स पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. ओके, नाउ टर्न एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 6. यस, विच वर्ड इज दिस? बिफ. बिफ, मम, किपर, डैड, चिप. नाउ टर्न एंड ओपन लास्ट पेज. ओके, यस, विच वर्ड इज दिस? And Floppy. And Floppy. Who is he? Floppy. Okay, what's the name of this book? 6 in a bed. What is the name of this book? 6 in a bed. अब आपने ये वाली बुक ओपन करना है और आपने इसे रिवाइज करना है. This is your third reader. Assalamu alaikum. Now we revise our oral. Come on, take out your PB book and open page number 1. Now recite with me. Ta'uz. अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. तस्मिया बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Now turn and open page number 5. Now I am going to start, page number 3. Now I am going to start dua before taking milk. Now recite with me. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna minhu. Revise again. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna minhu. It's time to work time. Take out your workbook 2 and open page number 347. There's an introduction of new letter. Which letter is this? This is S. Which letter is this? S. And what is the sound of S? S. Now read the pictures and color them. Now turn and open page number 348. What you have to do from this page? This is the beginning sounds. आपने क्या करना है? You just color those pictures. Start from letter S and sounds. Okay, look here. There are some pictures. This is the sunglasses. Sunglasses start from letter S. It means you color. And next is seahorse. Seahorse is also start from letter S. It means you color. Now come to the page number 349. What you have to do from this page? Circle the beginning object that begin with the letter S. आपने क्या करना है? आपने उन पिक्चर्स को सर्कल करना है जो लेटर S से स्टार्ट होती हैं. फर्स्ट इज डन फॉर यू. आपने इस डॉटेड सर्कल को ट्रेस करना है. नाउ टर्न एंड ओपन पेज नंबर 350. What you have to do from this page? You just trace the letter S. Which letter is this? S. S is for sun. S is for sun. You try to trace letter S by pencil. Okay, now come down. There is a free hand writing. What you have to do? You try to write letter S starting 3 lines. We write letter S in starting 3 lines. We never touch 4th line. Now come to the page number 351. This is the stressing of sound. Which sound is this? Snacking. Snack. For sun. For sun. Snack in the grass. Snack in the grass. आपने सुनी है ना पोम? Which sound is this? Okay. फर्स्ट आप इसकी ट्रेसिंग करेंगे. नाउ कम डाउन, देयर इज अ फ्री हैंड राइटिंग. वी ट्राई टू राइट दिस साउंड इन सेंटर 2 लाइन्स. आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे ग्रीन लाइन्स आपको दी गई हैं, 2 ग्रीन लाइन्स. ओके, यू ट्राई टू राइट sounds in center 2 lines. We never touch first and 4th line. Now turn and open page number 352. Okay, there is again tracing of letter S and sounds. First आपने इन दोनों letter और sound पे tracing करनी है. Now come down, there are some pictures. Read with me. Snowman. 6. Which number is this? Do you know? Which number is this? 6. 6 down and going around. Now come down. Which one is this? This is a snail. Which one is this? Snail. And last one. Oh wow, do you like this fruit? Which fruit is this? Is this fruit or vegetable? This is a fruit. And what's the name of this fruit? Orange. Orange. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what you have to do. You just cross out the odd one. Those is start not from the letter S. आपने क्या करना है, आपने उस पिक्चर पे क्रॉस बनाना है जो लेटर S और साउंड से स्टार्ट नहीं होती है. ओके, स्नोमैन, विच साउंड डू यू हियर? इट मीन्स वी नेवर क्रॉस. 6, विच साउंड डू यू हियर? इट मीन्स वी नेवर क्रॉस. नाउ कम डाउन, दिस इज अ स्नेल. विच साउंड डू यू हियर? It means it's also start from letter S. We never cross. Now last one is orange. Which one is this? Orange. Which sound do you hear? Orange. Oh, it means this one is odd one. You just cross out like this. Okay. Now come to the page number 353. Okay. What you have to do first, you read the poem. It is a little poem. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The shells Sally sells are from the sea, I am sure. अब आपने क्या करना है, आपने इस पोम में लेटर S को फाइंड करना है. देन मेक द सर्कल अराउंड लाइक दिस. दिस इज द लेटर S. यू जस्ट सर्कल. दिस इज द साउंड्स. जस्ट सर्कल. वन बाय वन आप लाइन्स ड्रॉ को चेक करेंगे. देन circle letter S and sound. Okay, now turn and open page number 354. What you have to do from this page, there is also tracing of letter S, and there are different pictures from here. Come on, read with me. Look at other pictures. Their names, do they begin with the same sounds and as sun? This is the sound. Trace the letter. Okay, which letter is this? S. S for star. S for smile. This is a boy, but what he is doing? He's smiling. He is smiling. Okay, come to the next one. Which one is this? S for sphere. S for scissor. S for snap. S for Superman. I am a Superman. कौन कौन देखता है सुपरमैन के कार्टून्स? दिस इज अ सुपरमैन. अब आपने याद रखना है सुपरमैन इज ऑल्सो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर एस. ओके, इसके बाद आपने इसकी ट्रेसिंग करनी है. ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट कॉपी वर्क. कम ऑन चेक आउट योर इंग्लिश कॉपी एंड ओपन दिस पेज. दिस पेज इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन योर इंग्लिश कॉपी. दिस इज अ लेटर आर. विच लेटर इज दिस? दिस इज अ लेटर आर. रीड विद मी. हम पहले से पढ़ चुके हैं. दिस इज अ लेटर आर एंड व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ आर? R for rain. What clouds pronounce? Clouds. What cloud is give us? Rain. What is this? Rain. These are the drops of rain. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Okay. Now read with me again. R for rain. Okay. Now turn and open next page. What you have to do, you just try to trace the letter R and sound What's the sound of R? Okay, now open next page. This is a letter S जो हमने अभी वर्ड बुक में पढ़ा है. Which letter is this? S. Read and color the letter S. And what is this? Oh, it's very bright. Sun bright in the day. What is this? This is a sun. What is this? Sun. S for sun. Now come to the next page. There is a tracing of letter S and sound. You try to trace these